Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Uber Eats delivery driver. If you don't have an Uber Eats delivery driver account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn at least $575 for your first 75 deliveries in 45 days. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for Sign Up to Deliver. Click on Sign Up to Deliver. To sign up, enter the email or phone number you wish to use. Then click on Next. A verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Next. If you already have an Uber account, you will be directed to this same step since Uber Eats is under Uber too. On this page, enter the city from which you wish to earn or your target delivery area. Also, use our referral code shown on the screen to receive a bonus. Now choose how you'd like to earn. Since this video is intended for Uber delivery service, choose either delivery by car or delivery by bicycle. Next is to undergo background check. On the fields provided, enter your first name, middle name, last name, driver's license number if you chose delivery by car, state, zip code, date of birth, and social security number. Then click on Continue. Now, read and understand the disclosure. And if you wish to receive a free copy of your background check report, click on the tick box. Then click on I authorize and agree. Next, enter your vehicle information. This might be a little different with those who sign up to deliver by bicycle. To set up your account, there are required steps you need to do. If you already completed these steps, you just need to wait till the application is approved. That's how you sign up for Uber Eats delivery driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.